nervous. We'll see how it does. Is this where you want to do it? We're on a curve? I wanted to hop on here really quick before we jump into today's video and just remind you all that we posted 5 videos this week, including this one. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So if you're watching this right now and you happen to miss one of those 5 videos, please, after this video, go run it up. I've been busting ass lately and I'm just having so much fun back on the grind. Yesterday's video was so fun. Danny went ahead and tossed me the keys to a really rare 1 of 8 Camaro ZL1 1LE and I absolutely ripped it. So if you didn't check out that video, there's a card that just popped up. Today's video, we actually went out with some friends. We had Sager, we had Joel and Brandon, and we actually threw the drag pack on Brandon's car. I'm gonna throw a clip in there as well to just show you guys. It looks freaking sick. So drop a like on this video if you think he should get himself a set of VMSs. I personally think it transformed his car completely. Let's get 1,000 likes. We're setting the bar low going into the weekend, and we'll be back Monday for another video. Well, quick little vlog update for you all. We actually have Joel here with the ST. We got Brandon, and we actually threw my VMS drag pack on Brandon's car. It looks insane. It looks really good. How you like it?
I haven't driven it yet, so we'll see how this feels.
Yeah, just be careful with the front skinnies.
I've never driven a drag pack before.
Yeah, it's different. But we also have Sager's car, and we're gonna go and get some draggy times. So this should be fun, and we're gonna see how she does.
Can I put my windows up?
It looks good as fuck, dude. Oh, we got satellite. No, we don't. Motherfucker. All right, so now we're in the ST with Joel. And Joel, the last time we did the draggy, was it a 5.7?
I want to say it was a 5.7.
It wasn't
like
4. No, it was 5.7.
No, we'll be in the 4s now, though, I think. But
hey, maybe, because what else did you get done?
I just got a tune done to it, 93 tune. So
it definitely woke it up though. You took me for a ride in it, like not draggy times or anything, just ass dyno. It definitely picked up some juice. So
we'll go find out what it is today anyway.
All right, well, you're up first, so I think we're gonna rip it. All right, here we go.
See what we got going on.
We're gonna go for the 0 to 60. Ready when you are.
A little brake boost.
Oh yeah, you shaved the whole second. 1.1 seconds, 4.6. 0 to 60. That's good, man. Jeez, dude, that put my stomach in my gut. Or, what? What?
Where'd they go?
All right, Joel, round 2.
Round 2.
First one was good. Shaved 1.1 second.
All right, let's see what happens.
Let's try it again.
Okay, a little bit of brake boost. Better.
Oh, dude. 1.8 60 foot 4.4 0 to 60. You just shaved 0.2.
Yeah.
That's good, man. That's quick. It's a lot quicker with that tune. Oh my god. That's awesome. That feels really, really smooth.
Preferably give me time to shower.
You want to do one with all of us in the car?
What was it?
You got some competition.
What was it?
1.8 60 4.4 0 to 60.
I know it. A 4.6.
What was it?
I don't know. You said 4.4.
4.4. That little fucker's quick. So we just got done with Joel's. That was a hell of an improvement. 1.8 60 foot on the street with a 4.4 0 to 60. That's pretty impressive for just a tune. You happy with that?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Like I said, it's just gonna get better.
Yeah, she was scooting, but now we're gonna hop in Sager's M4 and we're gonna see what she does. This one's gonna be a little bit louder. We are in Sager's 2022, right?
Yes, sir.
2022 BMW M4, and you guys saw we actually went out and raced when we both got our cars. Hades was stock, this was stock. We had some pretty good roll races, but what have you done since then, Sager?
So I put intakes, downpipe, and a JB4, and I'm running on E40 fuel.
So power-wise, where does that put you roughly?
Like right around 600.
About 600 wheels, so it's a
Yeah.
hell of a difference from stock.
Yeah.
And I'm curious to see what these draggy times are. The spot we're going to, it's probably just going to be 0 to 60 and maybe an 1/8 mile reading. It's not really a big stretch, but you know, maybe one day we could go out and do the 60 to 130. Isn't that what everybody likes to see?
Yeah,
60 to 130s. All right, Sager, first rip with the draggy. I'm ready when you're ready. Let her rip. Not bad, not bad. You got a 3.8 0 to 60 on that one.
Yeah, the
2.0 60 foot. Yeah, the 60 foot was a little chalked.
Jesus.
Why is it so loud?
Oh my God.
All right, round 2. Let's do it, man. Oh yeah, there you go. That was a 3.3 60. Or 0 to 60, 3.3 160 foot.
That's crazy.
That's a lot better. It still spun a little bit.
Yeah, I did.
All right, round 3. That was a 3.4 0 to 60,
Yeah.
1.8 60 foot. Let's try it again.
30, 60.
That's your best one yet. That was almost a 1.760, 3.2 0 to 60, 3.2, and we still spun.
That's
Quarter mile.
This thing definitely has a 1. I feel like with traction, you have like a maybe a 1.69 60 foot
dude.
for
if
real.
It hooks, bro.
I know
that's
it's
bad.
still spinning and you're doing
like
1.8.
pretty much like full tank of gas, full weight, everything.
Yeah, and she's quick.
Yeah. I can't
Oh,
wait
yeah.
for the drag stream, dude. I'm so excited.
Hell yeah. Well, there you go. All right, since Minion got the drag pack on, we're gonna ride with him. He wants to rip one leaving. Don't kill me.
See how it hooks a little bit.
You've been doing windows up or down. It's not gonna hook, I promise you. I don't hook with my car. You nervous?
We'll see how it does.
It should hook up better than your street tire. You gotta just remember you're on skinnies though. What are they doing? Tell them oh wait, is this where you wanna do it? We're on a curve? All right, ready when you are, G. She needed more RPM.
I know. That hooks though.
It did hook pretty well. I'm actually impressed. My car would not hook on that. And that was the first rip on them too.
because my car's slow as shit.
No, it ain't slow. I mean, did you rip it out all the way?
Yeah.
Really? That's interesting. I didn't think you were gonna hook. Where are we going?
Chipotle.
Chipotle A. You guys gotta try my order, all right? Burrito, extra white rice, extra chicken, extra queso, and cheese on top. Fire. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. When we get in that E85, bro.
I don't know.
Come on, man. Let's make it happen. I just can't believe how bad this sprinkler water is. I'm hoping I can get this stuff off. It is just horrid. All right, Sager just got here, and we can give them the GoPro.
Sir.
Sigur's fiending to rip on this. I already know, I can tell.
I'm ready.
It's boost weather.
Let's go get some E.
Dude, this thing's nasty.
It's fast as hell. Perfect weather too.
All right, guys. Here we have a beautiful 2021 boat, 300 horsepower. So that's about 290 more than Lucifer. So yeah, Derek gave us the company card. Buy a couple four-wheelers and everything. What do you think, Zog?
Bruh. Juice-filled snacks. So good.
What'd you say?
Oh my god.
I got him on the